Hello, I will show you the logic how to do uh, share, commission, affiliate commission sharing. Imagine you have a club with your members of your club and you use an affiliate platform such as ClickBank or other things which use an affiliate ID, a pseudo. So all your members, they have put in their affiliate ID. Let's take a real example, okay? Let's take System.io. It uses an affiliate ID and you add this affiliate ID to System.io URL and you are the affiliate for this. So imagine all your members, they put in their affiliate ID in their profile in your own membership area. So you have a code. Here it's a pseudo code in a PHP, but you could adapt it to JavaScript. So first, you put in the variable pseudo, you get the pseudo of the person who have used your tool. So I have to say one thing first. What is the overall goal of this? Imagine you have a membership area, you have a tool, so with a URL and with a pseudo or an affiliate ID, people send to this tool and everybody can use it. So your members or non-members, but they are still affiliate, they can use your tool. So why would they use your tool instead of sending directly with their affiliate ID to System.io or another affiliate platform? It is because your tool is useful. It is something that they cannot do by themselves or they cannot find elsewhere. So you have a useful tool which any affiliate can use and also your members of your club can use. And if the person who use your tool is not a member, then it will share a lot of traffic with the members of the club. But if a member use your tool, they will share less traffic with the other member of your club. You know, you could do that the members, they don't share any traffic with other members. But you can, here it is set up so that they still share some traffic with other members. It's good in a way because, okay, they share traffic, but also they are members, so they get all the shares from other members and also from non-members. So here I have split into, if you are not a member, you share 75% of the traffic with members. So you only get 25%, so 1 times out of 4, it will be your affiliate ID that will be put in the link, final link to System.io. So it's not very good, very useful, but with marketing, you can talk about the tool, and your tool is a way to get more members, because then the members, they only share 25% of their traffic with other members. So first, you put in the variable pseudo, you get the pseudo somehow in your tool, you get this pseudo. Often it will be in the URL, because people use your tool, which generate URLs with the affiliate ID in the URL, which go through a page of your tool or your membership. So you will be able to get the pseudo, the affiliate ID from the URL. And then you do some computation, and after you redirect to the affiliate platform or to System.io with the same affiliate ID or one of your members' affiliate ID. So here you set a variable, which is a random number between 1 and 100. And if this number is less or equal to 25, then you redirect to the final link with the pseudo, the affiliate ID, the original one. Because 1 time out of 4, that's what non-members get. That will be their own affiliate ID. And also the members, they can get it, because 25% for sure. But now we have redirected, that's fine. But if it's not equals or less than 25, then at this stage we need to find out if this affiliate ID is one of the members. So you will do a function isMember by giving here the pseudo in the function, and it will return true or false. And this sign, the exclamation mark, is it means the contrary. So if it is not a member, then you redirect to a member. You call this function, which will choose a member at random and will redirect with this member affiliate ID. So if it's not a member, then you redirect, because a non-member will have only 1 chance out of 4. If it is not yet redirected, then, and if it's not a member, then it's finished for him. the traffic will go to a member. Okay, but if it's a member, so it didn't get redirected, if it's a member, then we need to check further. If this random number equals or less than 75, if it is, then you redirect with the original affiliate ID. So at this point, it will be only for members. If it's still 3 times out of 4, it will redirect with their own affiliate ID. If not, so if it's the 25% for a member, then you redirect to a member. So the function, that's the end of the logic. Now we will see the function redirect and redirect to a member. So the function redirect is only to, here I didn't write it, but you will create the link, final link to whatever, to a system.io with the affiliate ID of pseudo that you get in the function. You redirect and you exit the code. And function redirect to a member is the same, but here you have another function which will pick a member at random. So in this function, pick a member, you will have the list of all your members, and you will pick one of them at random, and you will return the affiliate ID of this member. So in new pseudo, you will get the affiliate ID that will win this share. And you redirect to this new pseudo, new affiliate ID. So redirect will send it and exit. So that's the end of this tutorial. If you want your question on this, you can ask in the comments. Bye bye.